Hello everybody, welcome to at NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Heat and Thermodynamics. What is the question, sir? The question is, the graph between volume and temperature in Charles' law is an ellipse, a circle, a straight line, a parabola. What will be the shape of the graph between volume and temperature according to Charles' law? Okay. What is Charles' law? By Charles' law, when a gas is kept at constant pressure, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Is it not? Okay. So it means what? V is directly proportional to T. It means what? V is equal to a constant into temperature. This is similar to Y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx plus c, where c is 0. That is Y is equal to 0. What is this? It is an equation of a straight line. That is not very well. Hence, the graph between volume and temperature is a straight line. Okay, that's all. So option C is the right answer. Okay, so very simple question. By all means, you can solve easily. Okay, that's all. We will see one more question in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.